Using a box cutter or a utility knife, cut the outside, bottom, and edge of the box along the dotted line. Lift the box over the unit and unpack the bike. Remove the zip ties from the packing tube by using a razor or a knife. Slide in the rear stabilizer to the main frame. Insert 2 hex head bolts and 2 curved washers to ensure that it is in place at the side of the rear stabilizer. Remove the zip ties from the packing tube by using a razor or a knife. Slide in the front stabilizer to the main frame. Insert 2 hex head bolts and 2 curved washers to ensure that it is in place at the side of the front stabilizer. Install the handlebar and the sliding handlebar mount. Insert 4 button head socket bolts and secure it by using an Allen wrench. Install the bottle holder to the console mast with 2 Phillips head screws and tighten it using the provided screwdriver. Install the tablet holder to the front of the handlebar by using 3 sheet metal screws. Remove the quick release lever by rotating it counterclockwise. Install the dumbbell holder on the sliding seat mount by putting back the quick release lever. Rotate clockwise to tighten the quick release lever onto the sliding seat mount. Install the pedals onto the crank arms by using the included wrench. Do the same for the other side. Loosen the spacer from the flywheel. Install the flywheel cover in the front of the main frame. Secure it by using 2 Phillips head screws. Make sure to replace the included batteries inside the transmitter with new ones. Install the console holder on the handlebar by using the included Allen wrench. Install the console by rotating it clockwise to affix it to the handlebar. You're good to go. Conduct a thorough visual inspection of the indoor cycling bike and assess all its features and functions before using it. Make sure to read all warnings and instructions in the SB900 Indoor Cycling Bike Owner's Manual before beginning to assemble the SB900 Indoor Cycling Bike Follow all instructions as given. Soul Fitness is not responsible for damage, injury, or equipment failure caused by improper assembly or use. If the installation process appears too challenging, please call Soul at 866-780-7653 and request a technician to install the product in your home. The technician installation service is not included in the price of the product.